For those who love to play and sleep in the Dirt Motel is the backpacking tent you've been looking for. Available in 2, 3, and 4-person models, this double-doored, double-vestibuled tent is compact, lightweight, and features a roomy interior with the added bonus of an easily adjustable fly for stargazing. To set up your Dirt Motel, stake out the tent body in your primo location. The lightweight, hubbed, DAC press-fit pole system is easy to put together. Lay the poles on top of the tent body, matching the color-coded pole segments to the correct corners. Insert the poles into the lightweight connector feet and raise the shelter into place. Add the ridge pole over the top and clip into place. Lastly, add the rainfly following the color-coded cording. Secure the hook and loop to the poles, connect the corners of the fly to the pole tips, and then snug it up. Finish by staking out your vestibule and guying out your tent. Now climb inside and get comfortable in the spacious interior. If you want to enjoy a night of gazing at the stars through the lightweight no-seam mesh canopy, you'll be stoked with this fly. You can leave it rolled up as you drift to sleep. If you feel sprinkles, you can easily release these toggles, close out the rain, and get back to restful sleep. In the morning, it's easy to pack away the tent into the convenient double-tapered shark mouth carrying bag. The short segments of the poles keep your pack size to a minimum. Light on weight, but not on features, take the Dirt Motel along wherever your wanderlust takes you.